Horror games are not scary anymore. The current meta just seems to be mascots following around with jump scares sprinkled on top. The last game that was truly scary was Subnautica, and that's not even a horror game. But I want something truly scary, something that makes even a grown-up person run back to their mama and cry. Then I stumbled upon this creepy bug from Saints Row 2 called the Freezer. The bug turns an otherwise normal game into something really unsettling and scary. And as it turns out, there are tons of normal games with really scary bugs out there. So I thought, wouldn't it be cool if So I want a normal game for the bases, like Subnautica, but I obviously don't have the time or resources to make something like that. So what's something normal but scary that everyone can relate to? Work. But not any kind of work. The absolute worst, traumatic, sickness-inducing, horrible kind of work. A customer service job. Because nothing is scarier than having to talk to humans. Hey, do you know what? And the best place for that is a supermarket. Okay, so the game goes like this. You stock up items for your supermarket and sell them. Also, you're in debt to the IRS and you have only one night left to pay back everything. You could commit tax fraud, but no one goes against the IRS. So you just have to commit normal fraud by overcharging the customers in different kind of ways. And the more you cheat the customers, the glitchier the customers will become, and the more scary bugs will appear. And lastly, if you don't pay back your taxes in time, the IRS will come for you. First I need a shabby supermarket, but then I remembered this famous saying, a place anywhere in the world. A place in Japan. Japan is famous for their tiny convenience stores, so I'll make one of them. I started my blender, and even though it's sped up, it took me way too long to model this tiny convenience store with all its important items and stuff. And here's the final result. I put it into Unity and that's only ugly, not really scary. From my own experience, I know that both things get fixed by shutting off the light. So I lowered the light intensity, added a few post-processing effects, and now the game looks super scary. Now, if your biggest nightmare is a dark, empty supermarket, you'd be pretty scared by now. Oh no, I'm so scared. For everyone else, I need scary gameplay filled with horrifying bugs. The first bug is from Red Dead Redemption, where humans behave like animals. The reason is that animal models are replaced with humans by accident. Well, in my opinion, they do look pretty funny and are not really scary at all, if it wouldn't be for the coyote human, which sprints at you like a coyote. I don't intend to add coyotes to my game yet, but there's one day a year where humans behave like animals in shops. Black Friday. So let me put that here. Now I need NPCs that sprint at you. I've never made humans before, so I quickly searched for a tutorial. For a change in contrast to what you might expect, the models actually turned out pretty terrible. So I googled how to fix that. Accidentally broke human in Blender. How to fix tutorial. Luckily I found this free human creator and made a couple of customers, and also the IRS guy that you're indebted to, which will be important for later. I yoinked a running animation for Mixamo, and the guy now feels pretty scary. But I haven't added items yet, so he just follows me around, menacingly demanding nothing. The first item is for all the fathers out there, milk. I also made cereals, and people in my Discord channel also gave me some ideas like generic cookies, bread, dodecahedron candies, and cucumbers. These are all pretty scary items. Cucumbers may not seem scary to you at first, but cats are pretty scared of them. I want to keep my game inclusive after all. With all the items in place, I added the code for buying, placing, and selling the items. When you buy an item, it now spawns outside of a supermarket. You can place the items on the shelves and set the price. And sometimes someone sprints at you demanding milk. So currently the game goes like this. I order some milk online, take a box. What? Take a box and put it on the shelves and sell it. Oh, what's that over there? Hey, why is it so expensive? I only bought one milk. But honestly, that's not really scary. Yet. The next scary bug is from Major League Baseball, the show 17, where I'll do that one later. The next bug appeared during development of a game called Fastest Duck. Fastest Duck is a fantastic game where you need to use intentional bugs to finish the game as fast as possible. During the development, the dev accidentally created this abomination. Oh, wait, that's me. Oh, I mean not the red guy. The dev is me, I made the game. I think I called my local priest and removed him from the game, but keep the red guy. Well, it's been over a year and it's still a secret, but I will continue to work on faster stuck soon. But I can put the bug in this game now to make you guys happy. Originally the bug happened when you duplicated human ragdolls. Duplicating items wouldn't really make sense in a supermarket game, so I need to trigger it differently somehow. Luckily, I remembered this old Japanese saying: an expert craftsman can create the best product, but even the best product is nothing without ragdolls. So I added ragdolls. Now if you overcharge someone, there's a chance that they just get a heart attack and fall asleep. And when you try to pull them away, this might happen. Like really, it might happen. I'm not controlling this at all. This is a Unity bug. But before I go to the next bug, I need to implement the by far scariest feature in the game: eye contact. Before, the game was just a mostly harmless supermarket simulator. And now if I activate eye contact, it's... Okay, so now the NPCs can randomly start looking at you and sometimes even their eyes disappear. Do you know the situation? You're dead, you just go milk shopping, but then you suddenly glitch through the reality. Or you watch your favorite YouTuber, but you move to the next video without clicking the like, subscribe button, and you just glitch through reality. Or while glitching through reality, you glitch through reality and land back at home. If this happens to you, you're probably part of the backrooms. Although the backrooms started out as a story and not a game, there are tons of backroom games out there, so it's okay. And you can't tell me what to do. It's my video. But what you can do is tell me what else I should add to the game, and I might add it to next time. So I want to add the possibility of glitching through the map to the game. So I hit some random spots on the map where you and even the NPCs can glitch through. I'm not sure yet where you will land after glitching through, so I'll just put this room as a placeholder. Someone forgot the milk there. Wait, let me pick it. Whoa! Where am I? Help! Where is this? What's that? Is that? No, it can't be. It's the sponsor. Okay, I think that's enough bugs for the normal game part for now. But what happens when you can't pay back your taxes after the day is over? The only fitting thing for a game about bugs is to end like the freezer. The game slowly gets more and more buggy until it just crashes. And for that, I'm gonna combine all of the earlier bugs. I added that you're continuously being followed by the IRS guy you're indebted to. And every time he's close enough, he demands the money. And if you don't have enough, he and the entire game will become even more bugged. He has several stages. The first one is the normal one. For the second one, I turn it into a ragdoll, but apply an animation on top, which results in this thing. And lastly, even though I really didn't want to, I tried to replicate the Major League Baseball bug, which now looks like that. And that bug is also the end stage before the game just... Talking about bugs, I had a ton of unintentional bugs during development. Here's some of the best ones. Yeah, here's your milk. Yeah, just ignore him. Hey, wait, I just started the game, what are you doing here? Where am I? What? Hey, you're supposed to stand, what are you doing there? Ooh, flying milk. Why is the milk flying? But I still think the game needs a bit more work to be truly scary and enjoyable to play, so I will not upload the game for now. But if you guys really enjoyed the video, I'll do a part 2 and finish the game. I also made another video about a speedrunning game with intentional bugs that you can actually play, so check that out. Bye!